Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with a Dollar Tree haul. So I went with my grandson because I picked him up from school. And I saw this. This is new at my Dollar Tree. I bought two of those. One says Happy Harvest. And the other one's Always Be Thankful. I might do a DIY with this. I'm not sure if I want to paint over it or leave it as is. So we have those. And I found these, which I got two of. Some little miniature beaded corn. That is also new at my Dollar Tree. Never seen these. That's my fall. Then they have these little jars here from Crafter Square. Then there are these little mini hail bales. I'm going to do some fall decor, but I can't do it right now. I have to wait until after I see my surgeon before I can use my hot glue gun. I also found these that are new for Halloween, but they might not be used for Halloween. You don't know. I also found these cute little wooden boxes. I have a video on all of this. And I got two of those. And that ends my Dollar Tree haul, guys. So I'm going to say thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and follow. And if you haven't already, hit that big red subscribe button down below. And subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content or when I go live. So I will say this in closing. Please be blessed, be crafty, stay crafty. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. Bye-bye for now.